my name is Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm with the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks Department. And this is our March Take and Make, our spring egg cocoa bombs. And we're going to be working in the kitchen today, so we're going to be working with some heat. So I'll show you how to do that safely. Let's get started. All right, our first step is going to be melting our chocolate melts, and we're going to put them in a bowl, and we're going to microwave for 30 seconds each time. You're gonna grab a spoon and you're gonna mix it every time after 30 seconds. Okay, you wanna grab your mold and you're gonna start placing the chocolate evenly in the mold. Okay, so once you have them all filled in, we're gonna put them in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. All right, after 10 minutes, we're gonna take out our molds and pop them out. They should be hard enough just to easily take out. Once you get your molds, you're going to want to pop them out. Be very careful. Alright, for this step, we're going to put our 2 eggs together. So you want to make sure you have your hot chocolate and your marshmallows before you stick them together, and this process is going to be a little quick, so you want to be sure that you're careful because we're going to be working with heat. Alright, you're going to grab your eggs and we're going to take it over to the stove and melt the ends. Just like that. And with this step, it's going to be very quick. Marshmallows. And then you just put your eggs together, just like that. And you're going to want to smooth the edges. And then let it set. Now we're going to decorate our eggs. I'm going to be using a brush, and you can use whatever you have around the house. You could even use your finger to put the chocolate on the egg. We melted the chocolate just like we did before to make our molds of the eggs. Now we're going to use our sprinkles to lightly cover our chocolate. And we're going to do this on all 3 stripes. And this is what it's going to turn out after you're all done with 3 layers. Now that we're done with our white eggs, we have some other options that you can be creative with some color. And I will show you how you can do different textures with your eggs. So I'll grab the pink, and we're going to do a drizzle effect. I'm just going to drizzle it to your liking. And you can use more than one color, but I will show you with one color first. And with the drizzle, you're going to want to let it set and get hardened before we add the white. Here is a drizzle with all 3 colors. And you lightly get your spoon going back and forth. Okay, grab your blue, lightly drizzle it, grab your yellow, and drizzle it. Okay, and then we're going to let that harden and put that in the fridge for 5 minutes before you add the white. Alright, now that we have our drizzle hardened, we're going to grab our white and add into the mold, just like that. So you will see all these colors once it's all hardened, and you take out the mold over the white. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for another 5 minutes to harden. Alright, Alright, our second method is going to be a marble effect. We're going to grab a color. You're going to lightly put some in your mold, as so. Just like that. And with this, you're going to grab your white and you're going to add it into the mold while it's still liquidy. And then lightly mix it together. You don't want to mix it all together, just lightly. And then you're going to add some more yellow. And then you're going to mix it. Okay, and lastly, we're going to do our solid colored egg. Get the color of your liking. And you're going to mix the white into the color. And you're going to mix that all the way through. There, so it becomes one solid color. Okay, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 5 minutes till hardened. This is a great way to spice up your colors of your eggs and choose whatever you want to be creative. Alright, this is our drizzle egg. Let's take a look at how it came out. Put that out. See how colorful that is? All colors. And this is another drizzle with 2 colors. But be creative on how many colors you would like. Here's our marble egg. And you can see the color, how it's all intertwined. Mix to your liking, however you want your marble to be. This is going to be our solid color. Just like that. So these are some of the options that you can try. We have our drizzle, our marble, and our solid. And once you're all done, you can put your sprinkles on top of them and decorate them however you like. My name is Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm with the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks Department. I hope you have lots of fun doing this fun project, working with lots of colors. Be creative, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Have fun. See you later.